What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add prayer times to your Google Calendar. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Calendar, or you can browse through these Google apps and then search for calendar and then click on it. After that, you will open Google Calendar. After opening Google Calendar, in the new tab, open Prayer WebCal prayerwebcal.dsultan.com. This is the website, and from here you need to copy the URL below to subscribe into other calendars. So first off, select the location from the list, or if it is not in the list, you can search your location and then you can add your prayer time. And after that, just simply copy this link. Make sure to copy the whole link, and after that come back to your Google Calendar, and then on the left side you can see the option of other calendars. Click on this plus icon and then click on from URL. After clicking on from URL, just simply paste the link and then click on add calendar. After that, you will be successfully able to add your prayer times on Google Calendar. So this is how you can add your prayer times to your Google Calendar. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.